going to show you how to factory reset your Amazon Fire TV Cube without the remote. We're simply going to be using the buttons on the Fire TV Cube itself. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to be pressing and holding the mute button and the volume down. Okay, first thing, make sure the mute is not on. Now it's off. Now what we're going to do is, again, mute button, volume down. We want to press and hold buttons at the same time. Okay, and you can see what happens to the TV here. So mute, volume down. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold. And you will have to hold for maybe like 40-50 seconds. Just keep on holding, okay? Those two buttons. Just be patient here. Still holding. Okay? Now, you can go ahead and let go like this, and in 15 seconds, it's automatically going to do a factory reset. If you wanted to hurry up and do it, you can use your remote and go to OK, but we're not using the remote here, so just wait now. Factory reset has been initiated, and it will automatically occur in 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, okay? So now it's performing the factory reset right now, back to original factory defaults. So let's be patient here, and this whole process is probably going to take about like 2 minutes or so, so just wait here. Still performing the factory resets. Come on, there we go. And now we should be back at the very beginning where you have to choose your language. And you can go ahead and start off with a clean slate, start back over, setting it up, or you can go ahead and sell it or give it away. All right, finally. Voila, we just factory reset it. So there you go. Any questions or issues, just comment below. Good luck, guys.